What's up YouTube? In today's video we'll be taking a look at Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome to see which one is better. I did do a video back on April 1st, 2017. As seen in this screenshot, it is my most viewed video, and I kind of want to get high views again if it even works this time, but I'll try to make this better and so it gets more likes as well. So let's just get to it. First, we'll just take a look at their HTML5 scores. I believe Edge actually has a higher one, but I still prefer Chrome on the desktop. The only time I use Edge is on my Xbox One and my phone. I don't use it on anything else. Now, all I know is Chrome uses much more RAM to it, probably why it looked like it was taking longer for a second. So for HTML5 scores, the Chrome has a higher score, and it actually says that Edge is still loading. Okay, now it's not. So we'll just open a new tab and we'll just try to load some heavy websites. I'll actually start with my own first because it's extremely heavy. So just wait, I'm gonna copy. Oh shoot, it didn't fully do that. Because I'm not gonna hit enter till I have the full site put in. So because my website is really heavy and it does give computers quite a run when loading them, and as you noticed I'm in incognito mode. That's just so there's no saved logins and making them load faster, because I know it's private mode will load much faster than when you have a bunch of bookmarks saved and all that. So it looks like Microsoft Edge is still loading. Meanwhile, my website's almost loaded in Chrome because my picture is still blurry and the main page videos are not on there yet. And Edge is falling behind unless it's not loading. Yep, it says it's done loading, so my site's just broken on Edge. Okay, I really need to do some sort of fix to that, but since I was using a website builder, it's gonna be difficult to make it load in older web browsers. We'll actually see which web browser gets a higher speed test. So this we'll do individually, and we'll make sure they're on the same server. And since we have 300 megabit Wi-Fi and internet, we should be fine. Okay, having issues with speed test on Edge already, and as you can see I use speed test custom to make my own. Okay, yeah, I definitely have to do this separate because it's not loading in Edge. Probably because I can't be connected into two speed tests at the same time, I guess. This is another thing I've never did in my most popular video. Okay, now we're lagging here. That shouldn't be happening. Okay, we may need to cancel the speed test. And okay, there. I'm gonna close the other tab now. And now we're just gonna load a few sites. So I'll just go to random websites. Like Mr. Beast's merch website, which I will load in both of these. Okay, I'm quite fast at that. We'll see which one loads his merch site faster. Oh, and definitely subscribe to Mr. Beast. And subscribe to PewDiePie as well. It looks like looks like Edge is the winner here, even though I hit enter on Chrome first. And the site's almost fully loaded on Edge. There's just some stuff missing that are already appearing. And meanwhile, Chrome falls behind again. I bet it's the RAM usage that has to do with this. We'll just pull up Task Manager quickly if it will open fast, because it uses a lot of CPU and RAM just opening Task Manager. Especially me with a low spec potato, just an Intel Celeron Apollo Lake CPU and 4 gigs of RAM. It's really slow. At least I don't have a hard drive. It would have been even worse if I was using a hard drive instead of flash storage. Wonder why Chrome fell behind there. And what's bottlenecking my CPU? Oh, the screen recorder is. That's what it is. So now we'll just load a few more sites. I'm trying to make this a quick video because my long videos don't get less views for some reason. How about to make a search in Google? And Google doesn't really matter because it usually loads fast in all web browsers. And I can't get that Chrome pop-up to disappear. So we'll just look up my company and then we'll hit enter on both of those, see which one searches faster. Okay, Edge clearly wins here. It's already got the results. And for some reason there's some other 223 gaming channel there. But that's not mine. So that's how quick it does a Google search. What's another? Oh wait. My municipal government has a heavy website. So we'll actually give Chrome the head start. See which one will load better, if Edge still wins or Chrome does. It looks like we're already loaded in Edge. People usually say that Chrome is better, but it looks like Edge is clearly better if it loads much faster and better than Chrome does, where Chrome is falling behind and is now frozen. Okay, it's not frozen anymore, but it's really not loading that well. And we'll just do a few more popular sites that may also be heavy. Tesla's website is also heavy because it's full of animations. Sites that are full of animations seem to be the heaviest ones. Okay, the layout's kind of messed up because of the way I have the browsers set up, but it looks like we're done with Edge and Chrome, where Chrome is just black screen still lagging behind, even though I gave it a head start. Oof, okay, that's lagging real bad. Everyone says Chrome's better, but it's clearly Edge. because Edge doesn't lag as much as Chrome does. And we'll try Apple, and I don't need to view anything, but their site's also heavy. Okay, there. Gave almost about a 500 millisecond or 1 second head start for Chrome, and we're already finished on Edge. And now I should load a YouTube video. I'll go load one of my own videos right away. We'll see how video and which one will actually do it better at the highest resolution. Except it's gonna kinda lag because I'll be running two videos at the same time. I clearly gave Chrome a head start again, and Edge finished quickly. And no, not gonna view with Chrome, already have it open anyways. And Chrome is still falling behind again. Like, why Chrome? Stop falling behind. Even Google says it's better, but it's clearly not if it's falling behind like that. And at least I have fast internet now, so I can make this video quicker too. Unlike my last video, I had issues with stuff loading. So we'll just watch my latest video, for example. I'll try to click it at the same time. I wish ads would pop up on my videos, but Google demonetized me after the Logan Paul controversy there back in early 2018. Like, they made a 1,000 sub minimum or whatever, and that you need 4,000 hours watched a year. Okay, why am I giving Edge the head start? Chrome deserves it more. Now, just turn the volume down a bit. Okay, where's the intro music coming from? Okay, it's coming from Chrome, but Chrome is clearly
What's
falling
up,
behind.
YouTube? In today's video, we'll be taking a look at Windows 2000.
Okay, so Chrome actually wins on a YouTube video. It actually loaded it first. But what res? There's something I want to see as the resolution.
What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we'll be taking a look at
480.
Windows
Oh, it's probably because I have
2000.
two of these open.
Almost 20.
And why did this start at like 16 seconds? There must be some major lag. And this is playing at a lower resolution. So for YouTube videos, you should definitely go with Chrome. But for regular web browsing, you may want to go with Edge. And this is over 300 megabit internet that I'm on. And is there any more sites I want to try just before I leave? What else is a heavy site? Oh, my carrier's website is heavy, and I shouldn't be putting MTS because that'll make it take longer to load if I just put the old domain. Okay, there, I gave Chrome a head start again. Okay, which one will load content the fastest? And look at that, it's Edge again. So I think in general for web browsing you should definitely go with Edge, not Chrome on your Windows PC. If I ever get a Mac, I'm gonna do a Chrome versus Safari comparison. But for wait, what was I gonna say now? But for web browsing, well, oh wait. But for Windows PCs on web browsing, definitely go with Edge. And if you're watching YouTube videos, go with Chrome. And I'm just gonna click the devices button and click a device and see which one will load that device's page faster. Because this is another heavy website. So just wait. I hope I'm not taking too long. Can I see how long I've been recording? Come on, 16 minutes. I try not to take that long anymore. How do YouTubers fit so much content into a 10-minute video when I can barely fit anything? Well, I guess this is it, but for web browsing, definitely go with Edge, but for YouTube videos, go with Chrome. Because I mean, Edge has pretty much become universal too now because they have it on Android, iOS, and Xbox. And I think they may have it available for Mac as well. And maybe there's a chance Microsoft will eventually make Edge available for Linux. But I guess this is it, so be sure to like and subscribe. And that's it. Like and subscribe, and peace out, and see you in the next video.